Hi everyone, welcome back to day 5 of the 30 days Power Query Editor Challenge. Yesterday we worked on basic transformation, and today we are learning one of the most important skills in cleaning data, and which is filtering rules. Filtering, how does it help? Filtering helps you focus only on the information that matter instead of carrying extra noise, instead of carrying extra load into your analysis. So if you want to filter just what you want, so filtering helps us to do that. And that is what we are going to be learning today. We are going to learn how to filter. That's filtering rules in Power Query Editor. That is today's topic. So now, why filtering rules is important? So just imagine a data set with thousands of rows, but you only need, maybe you have or different data, you have a data set with different year. Let's say you have 2020 to 2025, and you only need just 2024 data, or you have products or only products in stock. Instead of analyzing everything, you can filter down to exactly what you need. You can just do that with filtering option. You can do that. So now let's go into Power Query Editors to start that. So I've already imported my data. You can check other videos on day 2, day 1 on how to import data. So I've imported my data, and this is my data in Power Query Editor. Filtering rules. So now I want to filter by value. So just I want to filter by value. For example, I have this region, and I want to check, I want to see just the data in West. I want to work with the West region only. This is the region color, and I don't want to work with all the region. I just want to work with West region. How do I filter for West? So I'm just going to click on this filter drop down. This arrow down is the filter or filter drop down. So I'm going to click on it, then uncheck everything, and I will only click on West. Click OK. So these are everything that I want to work with. So I can decide to close and apply and go and work with my West data only. So now, if you want to filter by number, if you want to filter by number or by date, so let's assume I want to filter by date. I want to work with just, let's say I want to work with, I want to work with, uh, I want to work with, or let's say month. I'll click on this date filter. You can see the date filter. Then come down to month, and I want to work with just all the January data. I want to work with January data, and I will click on January, and it will give me just only January data. It will give me just only January data. So let me go back to apply set, go back to the last step. So now let's say I want to work, I want to see data that is less than or equals to, let's say, filter sales amount. I want to filter sales amount only to show value above 500. I want to see value above 500. So I'll go to sales amount, and I will click on number filter. The remember, value above 500. So that will be greater than. I'll click on greater than value, and it will bring this option. So greater than, so I will just write 500. Then I will click my OK, and these are all the values that is greater than 500. These are all the value that is greater than 500. So remember, for date, you can filter by month, you can filter by day, by week, or by year. You can filter by that, just as I've show you how to filter by month. So now let's assume you have some null in your data. I have this null and I don't want to use it. How do I remove it? I want to remove the null. So all I need to do is to just uncheck just the null. So I've removed the null. Now I've removed everything on the null, so I don't have any null in my data. If I scroll down, you will see that there is no more null in my data now. So today you've learned how to filter by specific value. You've learned how to use number and date filter, remove null or empty row, and also keep Power Query Editor step reusable and automatic. So now it's your turn. Open your Power Query Editor and try filtering your data, maybe filter by year or anything you want to filter. So today's question will be, what is the most common filter you use in your report? Put the question in the comment section. I want to see your comments in your answer in the comment section. So what is the most common filter you used in your report? Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss the 6th tutorial. Bye for now.